Okay, so today we're here to talk about your YouTube channel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana, but I live in the States.
Okay, your hairstyle is unique, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Thank you.
today we're here to talk about your YouTube channel. So please tell me what kind of content do you prefer? I mean, what's the end goal of your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel, I'm just putting reality show style content on there. Let me turn on my light for a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Reality show content style. What we do is I live here. I have a few friends who go to Ghana at the end of the year, every year.
Mm-hmm.
We do donations. We present items to people, and we film the whole process and the lifestyle while we are there, edit it and put it on there. So basically, it's a reality show.
Okay, I get it. Okay, so now my question is that I have seen, compared to the videos you have uploaded, your subscribers are a lot. Are those all real subscribers?
Some I bought.
There are two ways of buying subscribers. One is organic, that is with ad, and another is fake subscribers, which is bots. So, which one you purchased, and how many did you purchase? I'm not.
Uh,
Tell me.
I have bought some here and there. I can't tell for real or the total amount that I bought. Every now and again I'll buy and add some on there. So I can't tell you that maybe 10,000 of my subscribers were, but maybe about 10,000 subscribers maybe I bought.
Do you know you made a biggest mistake by buying those subscribers because that is going to make your channel dead eventually? And the process of optimization has been very hard, because of those fake subscribers. I'll explain you why. Let's say you're uploading a content, right? And can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm listening.
Okay, so let's say you are uploading a video. So what YouTube will do, YouTube will push those videos to some of your subscribers, right?
Okay.
And if those subscribers are bought and fake, they will not click on your videos because those are fake. So
Hmm.
what will happen? YouTube will think your videos are not good, so it will stop pushing your videos, and eventually your channel will go down like this. So
Okay.
that is a very big mistake you did. And also, with those subscribers, if we apply for the monetization, YouTube can flag us. So now, if the part was for, let's say 10 days, now you have to do it in 20 days. I'm just giving you a random number. But
Hmm.
if the previous part we have to work for 10 days, now we have to work for 20 days. To once we have to keep your channel back on track, and then again we have to think about the improvisation. That is why I asked that, compared to your videos, your subscribers a lot. So is there anything messy with it? I hope you get me.
I don't understand what you just said.
Mhm. So yeah, we can start optimizing your videos. We can
Hmm.
do that, but we have to do it slowly and organically because you have a lot of fake subscribers. So we have to overcome that issue. And yeah, we
And
can do
what
things.
what would that entail?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
What would that what would that take? Optimizing because of my problem. What would
It
optimizing entail?
it will just take time, nothing else. What we will do, in-depth keyword research, and then we will put those keywords as tags in descriptions and in titles so that your videos get more visibility. So even if the older people who have subscribed to your channel are not getting your videos, but the newer ones will get your videos. and we will
Okay.
feed YouTube algorithm more data about your videos so that it can get a clear understanding of what kind of videos you're making. So it will push your videos to the people who are likely to watch your videos.
Okay.
Do you get me?
Yes.
So yeah, that's how we do things. But yeah, we have to do a lot of optimization for that.
Okay.
Do you want to know anything else from me, or how these works or something like that?
Yeah, so I need to, so how is payment going to be like? That's number one. And then
Okay.
number two, would you need access to my channel
Mm-hmm.
to be able to do that? Like, would you use, do I have to give you my logins and stuff like that?
No, 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 no. Let me explain. Let me understand, clear these two doubts of you. The first one, about the payments, we have 3 packages as of now, but we can do custom packages according to your needs. But the 3 we're having right now, that is, we can do one video, like that, and that takes $15 per video. And we have weekly packages where we do 10 videos in a week for $120. That is $12 per video. But we have a big package where we work for the entire month for 30 videos, and that will cost you $300. That comes to $10 per video. And these are
Okay.
the packages we have. But if you, let's say you have some budget issues or something like that, we can just let's say do customization in the packages and all these things, and that includes
Customization.
everything.
What do you mean by customization?
Customization maybe in, let's say you can pay for 10 videos, let's say 10 videos in a month, we can do that. Let's say 15 videos in a month, we can do that likewise. So we will make a custom offer for you, and that payment includes all the tools that we are going to use, and all 24/7 customer service that related to the service we are providing. Any questions you have, you just ask, and we will clear that for you. And yeah, that's all. Mm-hmm.
What do I have to give you? You just need my link to be able to promote it?
No, we need the editor or manager access to your channel. You don't need to share your login ID or ID password. In the YouTube Creator Studio, when you go there, there is a portion called settings. Over there is a part called permissions. I'll walk you through that, don't worry. This is a very simple process where you have to give us the editor or the manager permission, and with that permission, we're just able to edit the backends of your videos. Let's say titles, descriptions, and tags, all these areas. And maybe we can reply some comments. That's all the powers we are going to have. And this is very secure method. Whenever you feel like, no, I don't want these people anymore, you can just click on it and the access will be removed.
Okay.
You don't have to share anything. That's your privacy. You can keep your ID and password with you. All you need to do is just give us the manager access. With that, we will be able to do everything.
Okay. All right. Would I have to apply for the monetization myself?
That is, you see, if we apply for the monetization from our end, that time we will need the login information, because to do that we have to log that YouTube account into, and that is a long process, because monetization you will get after a very long time, it will be a few months from now. So we can discuss about that at that particular time. But yeah, we will help you through everything. If you want our assistance for the monetization, we will help you with that. Don't worry about this, at least for now, because applying for monetization is easy once you have the data. And if you want us to apply for you, in that case you need to share the login ID, because as I said, the managers can only edit the back end of your videos, titles, description, tags, all these areas. Other than that, we can't do anything.
All right. So give me your packages one more time and let me see what I can do with that.
Do you want me to repeat, or should I just write you?